No. Wait, let me ask you this, Lucas. How many times do you say sorry every day?
Like maybe 10? No, wait, probably 20 times. I say sorry a lot.
Exactly, 20 times. And how many times do you say thank you?
Oh, wow, not that much.
Right? Welcome to English Pod Center, everyone. I am Luna.
And I am Lucas. Wait, are you saying I am a bad person?
No, not a bad person. But we all do this. It is a big problem.
What problem?
We say sorry for everything. Like, if someone bumps into you, you say sorry.
Yes, I do that. Literally yesterday, a guy hit my foot. I said sorry.
See? That is crazy. We use sorry like water. We just throw it everywhere.
Throw water everywhere?
Yes, but thank you, we keep it in a small box. We do not use it enough.
Okay, wait, I do not get it. Why is that bad?
Because words have power, Lucas.
Power, like magic?
Yes, like magic. Saying thank you makes people feel good. Saying sorry too much makes you look, weak.
Oh, wow, I do not want to look weak.
Right. So today, we will learn how to do this right, the good way.
The good way. Okay, I am ready. Teach me, Luna.
Okay, let us start with sorry.
Okay, sorry, wait. Okay, go.
Good one. So think of sorry like a Band-Aid. You know a Band-Aid? For a cut?
Yes, a Band-Aid. You put it on when you bleed.
Exactly. If you have a big cut, you need a big Band-Aid.
Right.
But if you just have a tiny, tiny scratch, you do not need 10 Band-Aids.
No, that would look stupid.
Yes. So when you make a big mistake, say, I am so sorry. That is the big Band-Aid.
I am so sorry. Okay.
But if you are just a little late, do not use the Band-Aid.
Wait, really? If I am late, I do not say sorry?
No, this is the secret. You say thank you instead.
What? Thank you for being late? That is crazy.
No, Lucas, not thank you for being late.
But you just said, I'm so confused.
Listen. You say thank you for waiting.
Oh, thank you for waiting.
Yes, see, it flips the magic.
It flips the magic. Wow, that is actually really smart.
Right? When you say sorry, I am late, you make the other person think about the bad thing.
The bad thing, me being slow.
Yes, but when you say thank you for waiting, you make them feel good.
Because they are a good person for waiting.
Exactly. You give them a gift.
A gift. Okay, so sorry is a Band-Aid, and thank you is a gift.
Yes, like a cake.
A cake. I love cake.
Everyone loves cake. So give more cake and use fewer Band-Aids.
Okay, let me try. Let me practice.
Go ahead, give me an example.
Okay. I forget your birthday.
Oh, that is very bad, Lucas.
I know. So I say, thank you for having a birthday.
No.
Wait, why not? You said give cake.
But you made a big mistake. You forgot my birthday. That is a big cut.
Oh, I need the big Band-Aid.
Yes, you need the Band-Aid for big mistakes.
Okay. I am so sorry I forgot your birthday.
Yes, perfect. That is like a very good Band-Aid. I am safe. Yes, you are. But wait, what do I say now?
You say, give me my present?
Well, yes, I want a present, but no.
Wait, I don't get it. I said sorry, we are done, right?
No, if you say sorry, I must say something back.
Oh, the Band-Aid is on. Now what?
Now I say, it is okay.
It is okay? That is it?
Yes, it is okay, or no problem.
Oh, no problem. I like that. It sounds like cool.
No problem is very good. It means the cut is closed.
The cut is closed. The friendship is safe.
Exactly, Lucas.
But wait, what if I do a good thing?
A good thing? Like what?
Like, I bring you coffee.
Ooh, I love coffee.
I know. So I bring you coffee. You say thank you. What do I say?
Ah, good question. You say, you are welcome.
You are welcome?
Yes, you are welcome.
Welcome to where? My house?
No, not a house.
I don't want people in my house. It is messy.
Lucas, listen. It just means I am happy to help.
Oh, you are welcome means I am happy to help.
Yes, or you can say no problem again.
Wait, really? No problem is for sorry and thank you?
Yes, it is a magic phrase.
Whoa, it is like a super band-aid and a super cake.
Yes, super cake.
I will just say no problem for everything.
Well, maybe not everything.
Lucas, you are late. No problem.
No, that is a cut. You need sorry.
Oh, right, sorry.
Okay, let's practice.
Ooh, practice time. I am ready.
I am going to say something. You give the answer.
Okay, hit me.
Oh no, I dropped my book.
Thank you?
No, why thank you?
I don't know, I panicked.
Okay, try again. I dropped my book. You pick it up for me.
Oh, I give it to you. You say thank you, I say you are welcome.
Yes, very good. Or,
No problem.
perfect, you did it.
Yes, I am a master of words.
Okay, Master, let's ask our listeners.
Oh yeah, hey guys, it is your turn.
Think of a time you did something bad. What do you say?
Tell us in the comments. Tell us your big cuts.
Yes, and do not forget to subscribe to English Pot Center.
Yeah, subscribe for more cake and Band-Aids.
We will see you next time. Thank you for listening.
No problem. Bye.